Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can hide the taskbar right here in our Windows 11. Yes, it's very important. We're going to do that. You notice right down is known as the taskbar. We wanted to hide it. You're going to right click on it. You notice you see task manager come up right here. It's a taskbar settings. You're going to click right here on taskbar settings. And when I click on taskbar settings, this is what come up right here. You see search, you see task view, you see week, you see pen menus, and all of that. Come up right here, and over here have a different section. Now what you wanted to focus on, definitely. Some of you might reach here, not sure. Right here, so focusing on taskbar behavior. You're going to come all the way right here, click on it down. Notice when you click on it down, you scroll up a little, notice, it automatically hide the taskbar. So when I click it, if you notice right here, gone, but if I put back the mouse right down here, be sure that it actually come up. Right, so definitely, it hide the taskbar, you come like this, you click, the taskbar is up back again, you click right here, the taskbar is gone. Right, so very important. Right there, and if you come like this and you close it out, you notice, this is safe to the taskbar. I want to go back again, there you click, right here, and you click, scroll up a little bit task behavior, right here, you're gonna click on it. If you notice, you're gonna automatically move it and it's back there. So this is where you actually hide the taskbar right here in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you in the